Hello everyone. So Google just released on-device GenAI APIs as part of ML help you easily build with Gemini Nano. So let's go through this blog post. So we are excited to announce a set of on-device GenAI APIs as part of ML to help you integrate Gemini Nano in your Android apps. To start, we are releasing 4 new APIs: summarization to summarize articles and conversation, proofreading to polish short text, rewriting to rewrite text in different styles, image description to provide short description for image. Key benefits of GenAI APIs. GenAI APIs are high-level APIs that allow for easy integration similar to existing MLKit APIs. This means you can expect quality results out of the box without extra effort for prompt engineering or fine-tuning for specific use cases. GenAI APIs run on device and thus provide the following benefit. Input, inference and output data is processed locally. Functionality remains the same without reliable internet connection. No additional cost incurred for each API call. To prevent misuse, we also added safety protection in various layers, including base model training, safety-aware LoRa fine-tuning, input and output classifiers, and safety evaluations. How GenAI APIs are built. There are 4 main components that make up each of the GenAI APIs. Gemini Nano is the base model as the foundation shared by all APIs. Small API specific LoRa adapter models are trained and deployed on top of the base model to further improve the quality for each API. Optimized inference parameters, example prompt temperature, top key, batch size are tuned for each API to guide the model in returning the best results. And evaluation pipeline ensures quality in various datasets and attributes. This pipeline consists of LLM raters, statistical metrics and human raters. Together, these components make up the high-level GenAI APIs that simplify the effort needed to integrate Gemini Nano in your Android app. Evaluating quality of GenAI APIs. For each API, we formulate a benchmark score based on the evaluation pipeline mentioned above. This score is based on attributes specific to a task. For example, when evaluating the summarization task, one of the attributes we look at is grounding, that is factual consistency of generated summary with source content. To provide out-of-box quality for GenAI APIs, we applied feature-specific fine-tuning on top of the Gemini Nano base model. This resulted in an increase for the benchmark score of each API as shown below. Then in addition, this is a quick reference of how the API performs on Pixel 9 Pro. In sample usage, this is an example of implementing GenAI summarization API to get one bullet summary of an article. So here is the article. Then here you just have to pass summarize option, input text, output text, language, then summarization.getClient. Then here you can just pass this suspending function, and here you have to override this feature to download the model first, and once it is downloaded you can start the summarization request. For more example of implementing the GenAI APIs, check out the official documentation and samples on GitHub. Use cases. Here is some guidance on how to best use the current GenAI APIs. For summarization, consider conversational message or transcripts that involves 2 or more users. Articles or documents less than 4,000 tokens or about 3,000 English words. Using the first few paragraphs for summarization is usually good enough to capture the most important information. For proofreading and rewriting APIs, consider utilizing them during content creation process. For short content, below 256 tokens to help with tasks such as refining messages in particular tone, such as more formal or more casual, polishing personal notes for easier consumption later. For image description API, consider it for generating titles of images, generating metadata for image search, utilizing description of images in use cases where the image themselves cannot be displayed, such as within the list of chat messages, generating alternative text to help visually impaired users better understand content as a whole. GenAI API introduction. Envision is an app that verbalizes the visual world to help people who are blind or have low vision lead more independent lives. A common use case is in the app is for users to take a picture to have a document read out loud. Utilizing the GenAI summarization API, Envision is now able to get concise summary of captured document. This significantly enhances the user experience by allowing them to quickly grasp the main points of documents and determine if a more detailed reading is desired, saving them time and effort. Supported device. GenAI APIs are available on Android devices using optimized MediaTek Dimensity Qualcomm Snapdragon and Google Tensor platforms through AI Core. For a comprehensive list of devices that support Gen APIs, AI APIs, please refer to our documentation. Start implementing Gen AI APIs in your Android apps today with the guidance from our official documentation and samples on GitHub. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.